Hello, this is Martin from Hedging, the channel for learning about trading and investing. Welcome to Markets Tomorrow, the daily stock market analysis show where we look at the technical charts and then try to understand what happened in the market during the day. We also plan for a better trade for the upcoming day that's starting from tomorrow. That's February 21, Wednesday, 2024. So we had yet another all-time high on Nifty. The bank index has made big moves and looks like it's joining the party. Let's try to understand. This is the market wrap-up that we have. Some of the details are not updated, which is the Fyers. The data has not come in yet. It's the yesterday's data that we have. We'll come back to this, but let's get to the charts first. The plain charts, and here we were at a major resistance. We probably may still be at that resistance zone, have not completely broken out with a solid candle above that condition zone, but we made another new all-time high. It's 22,196.95, so it's hardly 3 points away from 22,200. That's a big move, but not as big enough as to comfortably say that it's a breakout from here ahead. It's not that big a move. We gained 0.34, that's 75 points nearby. Right, less than 0.5% move is not, but the thing is, Banknifty made 59 points. That's 1.2%. So the big move happened in Banknifty. Look at this candle. It's a wide range, bullish, engulfing candle that is a solid, strong bull move. Now, so we know that it's a W pattern, the neckline of which is already comfortably taken out today, and then Nifty also we have some kind of W pattern, neckline of that may have been taken out today, but with not a very strong move. But yeah, it seems like the W pattern may be confirmed. If that is confirmed, it will be equal to this height. That's another 1,500 points from here probably, and similarly here another 500 points at least from here. That could be 22,600 probably. But let's just look where we are. Banknifty in the Nifty had done 32% rally from March of 23. 32% of move, with an interim correction that came in September to November, December, and then December was big breakout, and that's where we are. There was another retracement that came in 4.5%, and it made another new all-time high, but retraced again immediately, giving us a doubt that it's an M pattern. Even now that doubt prevails, but there was a 2.5% of retracement again after the 4.5 that came in January. Right, February had a 2.5 retracement, but those are not big enough corrections compared to the 18% move from October, and from March 32% move in 2023 March from there. So considering that 4.5% move is not a retracement enough, it's not a decent retracement, but that's how market kept on moving up, and now it's an all-time high. There is some more space left in the top of the channel. Probably it may head up to the 22,600 that we were talking about. It's also a confirmation of a flag. There are multiple flags, right? Multiple flag can be visible from this weekly view, you can see that we had big flag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, multiple flags, everywhere flags, and this is confirming another breakout of a flag. And also we have multiple flag breakouts. We're on the top, about to break out from that. So that's what the move is happening well within that channel. Banknifty, on the other hand, had made a deeper cut of 8.5% and had fallen down from that blue channel, and once again on the third attempt by making a W pattern, it has climbed back to it. There is a flag pattern that is there here. So 47,200, if that is clear, it would be a breakout confirmation from the consolidation zone as well as this trend line parallel channel also. So it's very crucial to climb and close above this 47,300, 200, that zones. Once that is done, still you got another 1,000 points up to make new all-time high on the Bank Nifty, but that's not a big deal for Bank Nifty because Bank Nifty can move as high as an average of 600, 700 easily, not like Nifty. So so that's it. So the next, so it's all completely bullish. W patterns, all-time highs, Bank Nifty participating suddenly, with big bullish moves, and the only point is just has to come up. Bank Nifty just have to confirm this and come out of this consolidation zone. That's the only thing that is required. If that is done, then you can see big moves. Basically today HDFC made 2.6% movement. That's the big move that has moved Bank Nifty, because HDFC contributed maximum to the Bank Nifty. Now the next part would be to find the resistances. First resistance would be obviously the 22,215. So it's very close to that, can easily be taken out. So the first hurdles would be, major hurdle would be 22,500 because it's a big rounding number, but 22,300, 400, 500, 600, all these would have resistances. Right? 22,500. So 22,600 and 500 would be the target of this breakout zone also. Right? W pattern, flag, consolidation, all this, 22,600 would be the level where, so that resistance will obviously be there, but they're not coming tomorrow. For the next days, it will be every hundreds from 22,200 above would have resistance, because it's an uncharted territory as it has gone to all-time highs. Supports first would be the gap that is found as 21,950. So 22,000 would be the major support. Basically, it is a gap as well as this big rounding number. If that is breached, then we go to the 22,825. It's 20 exponential moving average support. Then you have 21,500 nearby zones, so 50 exponential moving average support, and then the previous swing lows at 21,150, right, and 21,000 below that. That's the supports and downside on Nifty. Nifty, the first resistance would be the gap at 48,000 now, but before that it has to clear the previous swing high at 47,200. So that has cleared. So that is where so 47,300, 200 and 300 would be the first resistance. After that, major resistance is 48,000, is a big rounding number as well as a gap. That is clear. It is 48,636 all-time high, the next resistance. Downside, the first support would come in at the 47,000. Obviously, it's a big rounding number. And 50 DMA and 20 DMA, that's coming at 46,100, 46,000. So 46,000 is the major support. And then 100 exponential moving average will come at 45,700. Then 44,750 is the 200 exponential moving average. 45,000 rounding number also will come as support before that. So all the supports in the Bank Nifty. Let's get back and see the wrap up. So basically we closed about 22,195, just 5 points away from 2197, just 3 points away actually. 75 points move, it's less than half a percent, 0.34. Not big move, but decent bullish move. The bullish candle is formed, but rumor we made at 32% with a 4.5% retracement only, and we are comfortably above 20 exponential moving average. Banks have really moved today with a wide bullish engulfing pattern, and it has made 1.2%, 560 points. It had made 8.5%, but the rally that it has done is 26%. It's comfortably above 47,000. Intraday it was volatile, but it was trending up. It was more volatile in Nifty and Banknifty both because 16 was a VIX. It remains back 16 to the end from the beginning. So it was volatile, but it was trending up. Eventually at 3 p.m. there was a big move from the Nifty to catch up for this volatile losses that we made in between. Right? Now, Fyers were sellers yesterday. They had been sellers for quite some time. 40,000 K of some sell-off has happened. More of that. So they were primarily sellers. Not 50,000 K at least sell-off has happened last month. So they continue to do that, big and small. But AIs were constantly buying. Last year also they were buying 450. Of course, today's data has not come in. Since it's a big day, institutions might have bought them. FIs either would have bought little, yes, no, surprise. It's FIs who have sold 1,1335 crores in the cash market, and TAs were buying 1,491. So TAs compensated for the selling, otherwise it would have been a bad day. So the HDFC Bank is bought by the domestic institutions primarily. So that's the story today. So TAs continuing to sell is not a positive thing. And that's what is happening. So this is outdated data that you have seen. Last data, this stuff with money control. Resistance support levels you already seen. Highlight then make a note of this. Normally is rising bullish yesterday. So it's still sideways in Banknifty at the end, brim end of this sideways zones, rising and heading up towards the bullish one, but not as bullish. Not at RSI above 60 basically. ADX indicator, trend indicator is showing it is crossed over the bull zones with strength, both indices now. So trend is good, momentum is also good, almost good. Right? And we are talking about daily charts and short term. It was flattish close, but it remained 16 from begin to end. So above 15 you have to be careful. Head towards 20 you have to be extremely careful and cut short portion size. Only bands are expanding like yesterday, potential pop moves are there, both indices. Technically chart is turned bullish. It's just that bank need to move another 300 points to confirm that it is coming out of the condition zone and close above it at least for one day. But still there's 1,500 points nearby from here to move, and the momentum has to also climb up to the bull zone. So that's all that's required. But interestingly, across the sector, if you see, it was some stock specific buying that has happened today. Looks like across the sector, it is all of them are close red today. Only the reality is some small green there. Otherwise, across the sector, it is flattish or negative. It is right. It is not positive. But overall, if you see the momentum in the short-term daily charts, auto, pharma, realty, maintenance, bullish momentum, metal, FMCG, and IT is inside. IT has fallen to sideways. Is not good. The heavyweight stocks that contribute maximum, they are also closed red, except the Reliance, ITC, ICICI Bank. Reliance and ICICI maintains bullish momentum. ITC is bearish. HDFC has come back to sideways. TCS Info has fallen back to sideways. Kodak also has climbed back to sideways. So it's recovery on the HDFC Kodak Bank. ITC remains only heavyweight, major heavyweight. There is the bearish momentum of the daily charts. So if you see that, there is not enough strength across the heavyweight stocks. Neither is there enough buying that has happened today across the different sectors. So that breadth is not there. Make a note of that. This is probably one or two stocks that made the index to move today. Now US index is showing some red and it is at the very top. Some consolidation may be there after a big rally. So cautious. Retracements could come in some other markets or market also likely to follow to get impacted at least. Dollar is flattish red 104. Hoping it remains weak 82.9. Crude oil is red 74.4. It was trying to move up. Gold is spiking up and staying there, consolidating, not ready to fall down after the few months before all-time high. So every dip, as I say, it's an investing opportunity long term in quality stocks in SIP mode. And trader, the direction is almost bullish. Just have to wait for tomorrow also for the banks to confirm the move that it has made. Right, but otherwise it's strong bullish breakout potential is there. Some confirmation is required for it to settle so 1 or 2 days at the top. Then you will get to know a few. So until then it may make sense to wait rather than jump and go for direction, because it's at all-time highs and it has made big moves with less correction Nifty. Only the banks have corrected. That was maybe because of HDFC. Because this correction has not come in at all in 2023. Right, so apply the strategies accordingly. When it is confirmed to a direction, get into that on both indices, on both time frames of medium term and short term. If it is RSI above 60, that's the time you can confidently go direction. Otherwise, go for spreads, hedge strategies, so that you are safe side. Non-directional, it may not work out now because the difference between the realized and the implied volatility and the actual volatility spread difference is not that in favor of sellers, and it's turning to be directional, so option traders will have trouble. Tomorrow is the Banknifty expiry day, so the open interest is showing level very wide, 2000 point range, but it's bullish. Put PCR is 1.55 and 46,000 is the highest put rate and 48,000 is the highest call rating. So very wide range, big bullish moves expected by the option traders as of now. Banknifty expiry on Wednesday tomorrow. Okay, so play it safe. The VIX is further spiking up above 16 towards 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Be very careful, cut short position size. If it is mandatory that you have to be in the game, otherwise stay away. Non-directional strategies, especially the derivatives and the options. That's all I have. Market view is almost bullish, you can say. And market seems to be breaking out. It's just that the banks have made big moves today finally. Yesterday it was in deceive, today it's not in deceive, it is much more stronger turn around today. So if you're not subscribed and then watching this, please subscribe and share it to friends and colleagues so that it reaches out to max. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Happy trading, happy learning, happy investing. Bye bye.